The motion to strike as a statement one, I'm going to take under advisement because if it's not a stipulation, I'm not sure what it is, but there seems to be an agreement that the tweet of Ms. Heard is part of the plaintiff's evidence, which is not in evidence at this point. So I can't rule on that statement whether or not it is just a tweet or if it's some sort of republication or something. I don't know because I haven't seen it yet.
The judge has officially rejected Amber Heard's testimony because it has been reportedly revealed that the actress was under the influence of prohibited substances. While that may sound surprising, this is exactly how the story is apparently unfolding. Amber Heard, who enjoyed significant public support only a few months ago, is now losing her stronghold as she loses the case. The latest revelations depict a very terrible picture of Amber Heard, who is now facing even worse circumstances in the shape of public pressure. So, why was Amber Heard's testimony rejected? And how does it relate to the use of prohibited substances? Let's find out in this video. Twitter users have been posting about how Amber Heard's testimonies have been rejected. One user writes, Amber Heard has failed to have the lawsuit filed against her by #Johnny Depp for defamation dismissed. The trial being imminent, she then tries to have all the evidence, all the testimonies, and all the witnesses who disclaim all her lies rejected. Amber Heard has told a court that ex-husband Johnny Depp repeatedly struck her during drug and alcohol-fueled rages that she said turned the actor into an awful thing. Taking the witness stand on week 4 of the trial, Ms. Heard alleged that a pattern of violence began in 2012. Mr. Depp is suing Ms. Heard over a story she wrote in which she described herself as a domestic abuse victim. In his testimony, Mr. Depp denied any wrongdoing. I struggle to find the words to describe how painful this is. This is horrible for me to sit here for weeks and relive everything, Ms. Heard said shortly after taking the stand. A Twitter user writes, if Amber Heard has so much evidence, why does she have to leak to TMZ? If her evidence is so strong, then why doesn't she have hospital records and actual photos of the aftermath? Broken ribs, nose, and black eyes would be hard to cover. Ms. Heard, 36, testified in Virginia on Wednesday for many hours, detailing her first interactions with Mr. Depp while filming The Rum Diary in Puerto Rico. Ms. Heard revealed during the promotional tour for the film in 2011 that they fell in love. Mr. Depp's negative statements, which he began expressing in 2012, the same year she alleges he struck her for the first time, soon broke Ms. Heard's early delights in their relationship, she claimed. Ms. Heard said that she laughed when Mr. Depp, 58, explained that a tattoo on his arm stated "Wino," a change from a tattoo he had created during a prior relationship with actress Winona Ryder. I laughed because I thought he was joking, she recalled, and he slapped me across the face. I just stared at him kind of laughing, thinking that he was going to start laughing too, to tell me it was a joke, Ms. Heard added. But he didn't. He slapped me again. I will never forget it. Mr. Depp has denied that the encounter occurred, saying in his own evidence that the accusation never made any sense to him. Ms. Heard attempted to paint Mr. Depp as someone who could be warm and sympathetic when not under the influence of drink or drugs, but who could fly into rages, sometimes over imagined infidelity when he was. She said he tried to hide his substance misuse, which she described as ranging from consuming alcoholic beverages to taking a lot of cocaine. It would be accusations, and then he would explode, Ms. Heard said, adding that Mr. Depp would slap and backhand her. After the fights, Ms. Heard said he would disappear. He'd come back clean and sober, and he'd be extra nice and extra apologetic, and we'd be good again, she added. After a confrontation at a drug-fueled dessert party in Hicksville, California, Ms. Heard claims Mr. Depp did a cavity search on her.
He was telling me we're gonna conduct a cavity search, shall we?
She sobbed as she added,
Just sit there.
Mr. Depp said that he never hit Ms. Heard and described her as having a need for confrontation and violence. The defamation complaint is based on an opinion post Ms. Heard wrote for The Washington Post in December 2018. She made no specific reference to her ex-husband or any other alleged culprit. However, according to Mr. Depp's attorneys, the story plainly referred to him, and it harmed his career and reputation incalculably. The trial will most likely last at least another month. So what are your thoughts regarding the latest developments in the case? Do share them in the comments below.